Okay, sir.
Hello.
Hello.
Please give me Juju party in Mumbai.
You know that about this Jewish party?
Yeah.
Okay. I know that you belong to your countries.
Oh, my country is a French in the foreign.
You are a foreigner.
Yeah, I am a
Okay, sir.
foreigner.
Okay, thank you. You are a foreigner. Welcome to my India's countries.
Okay.
Why a reason to coming in India?
Oh, I am a tourist. I am explore the world. But my flight is wrong way, and I am unlucky. I am coming to the India.
You are unluckily come to India, but
Yeah.
it's not, sir. You know, my famous countries in the world in India. Okay, you know.
But how? The India have a poor city, have a not technology, have a not business component.
Top 5 countries in the world and India's and IT sectors and information technology is available in our countries. Okay.
Yes, right. But I have a most famous city. If I have a camel and the like and the musculeaf and the Kelenaf and the most famous city have a Eiffel Tower. Have a Paris.
Okay. Okay. You know about this our countries.
Yes, I know about my country. I have a most great men, I have a cities, and a most have a most green forest and have a most technology for great.
Whatever the historical place in your countries.
Oh, but I have a not historical places in my country.
What is the place in your countries?
I have a Eiffel Tower and the most famous church.
Okay.
I have a most wonderful places.
What is the great leader in your countries? You know.
Yep, I know. Nicholas.
Okay.
Like a most have a counting in the most famous leader in the world. And you have?
I have historical. I have a country's great leader and Shivaji Rao and Mahana Pratap and Chandrasekhar and Shivashwam and Bhim Rao Ambedkar is the great leaders of countries.
Oh, I am a listen about this, but what about your country? About British?
And pink city in Jabalpur and Jammu Kashmir and Surat and Amritsar. There's a lot of cities in our countries.
But if you have a not technology, I am a most technology, and the have a most you have a most yeah I have a most have a mountains that cover with the snow and a most green forest.
Our country is available in the mountain snow, Himalayas, Parvats, Uttarakhand, Jammu Kashmir is available in our countries. You know that?
I know that, but I am explore and I am a explore your country. And what about of your culture?
And the different cultures and available in India is different peoples, Punjabi and Gujarati and Maharashtra and all the peoples in the different culture available in our countries and different pupils available, but their unity is India's, so that is the Indian pupils.